Binati rin ng mga leader ng European Union, Norway at Switzerland si Pangulong Aquino sa paglagda ng Bangsamoro Framework Agreement. Ayon kay PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma, kinilala ng mga leader ng ang pagsisikap ng Administrasyong Aquino para isulong ang kapayapaan sa Mindanao. Naniniwala din sila na magiging pagkakataon nito para bumuhos ang pamumuhunan sa Mindanao na kapwa makakatulong sa Europa at Pilipinas. Ipinahiwatig ng mga leader na ito ang interes na makibahagi sa pagsasakatuparan ng Bangsamoro Agreement. Ayon rin sa kalihim, nagawa ring batiin ni Pangulong Aquino ang European Union sa napanalunan nitong Nobel Peace Prize.
The three delegations that we met were very enthusiastic in congratulating the President on the signing of the Bangsamoro Framework Agreement. They see this as a genuine opportunity for reaping peace dividends, including increased investments into the Philippines and Mindanao in particular. And in reciprocity, we also supported the requests of the various delegations with which we met for Norway and Switzerland as they are joining the ASEM meetings and would like to become involved also in the dialogues with ASEAN as future dialogue partners.